Do you say, I have lived here for 2020? Or I have lived here since 3 years? Many English learners get confused between for and since. So grab your notebook and let's start learning English together. I always sleep for 8 hours. I always sleep for 8 hours. I have had this cute doll since I was 7. I have had this cute doll since I was 7. I have lived in this house since 2020. I have lived in this house since 2020. I studied English for 2 hours today. I studied English for 2 hours today. I can run for 30 minutes without stopping. I can run for 30 minutes without stopping. I have been very busy since this morning. I have been very busy since this morning. I lived in Miami for 3 years. I lived in Miami for 3 years. I have been interested in drawing since childhood. I have been interested in drawing since childhood. I practiced the piano for an hour. I practiced the piano for an hour. I have known Anna since last year. I have known Anna since last year. I waited for the bus for 20 minutes. I waited for the bus for 20 minutes. I haven't eaten anything since breakfast. I haven't eaten anything since breakfast. I talked on the phone for a long time. I talked on the phone for a long time. I have been learning English since January. I have been learning English since January. I am going to stay in Bangkok for a week. I am going to stay in Bangkok for a week. We walked in the park for 40 minutes. We walked in the park for 40 minutes. I have felt tired since Monday. I have felt tired since Monday. I worked at that shop for 6 months. I worked at that shop for 6 months. It has been rainy since yesterday. It has been rainy since yesterday. I have been a student here for 5 months. I have been a student here for 5 months. I have had this phone for 1 year. I have had this phone for 1 year. I have been awake since 5 o'clock. I have been awake since 5 o'clock. It rained heavily for 2 days. It rained heavily for 2 days. The shop has been open since last week. The shop has been open since last week. I baked this cake in the oven for 30 minutes. I baked this cake in the oven for 30 minutes. I have worn glasses since high school. I have worn glasses since high school. Great job! Now you know how to use if, or, and since in everyday English. Remember, use for to talk about a period of time. Examples for 2 hours, for a week, for 3 years. Use since to talk about a starting point in time. Examples since Monday, since 2020, since breakfast. Keep practicing these sentences aloud every day, and your English will become more natural and confident. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a new English learning video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next lesson.